there, I am back with another of the projects from the Crafty Christmas Collab 2020 with Bourbon Creek Crafts, and this is the third project that I am doing. So I made another mini album, but it's like a one-page mini album, so I'm just going to zoom out a bit here just so we can see the whole thing. So again, I'm using the Simple Stories? No. I forget what the line is called. Simple Stories Handmade Holiday. It was Simple Stories. And I'm continuing with kind of that shabby chic look. And so I made this little album, and I have bits of the little cut aparts plus more of the muslin that I cut and frayed, and then I added a paper doily from Cheery Lynn Designs. And yeah, so we'll just open this up. And so this opens up to create a album. Oh, let's zoom out a little bit more. And it's just made from one sheet of 12 by 12 cardstock, and then you use all the paper to decorate it. And so we have a little pocket over here, and you can put a little tag in there, and then it just has this tie closure that, and then in the middle I just have a little pocket for a tag here, and you can put photos on all these different places. I used my Martha Stewart lace punch for that. Here again I added the Cheery Lynn lace doily die piece, and I just added a bit of lace on this side, more of the punch out this one of the cut aparts, and then it just folds up like this and like this. And then we fold this side in. I didn't put anything on there because I wanted to leave some room for some pictures. And then it closes up like this, and then I did decorate the back again with one of the doilies and one of the cut aparts. So that is my third project for the Crafty Christmas Collab, and make sure you go and check out all the other participants. There's links in the description box below for everyone who's participating, including Instagram links. And yeah, feel free to join in and use the hashtag Crafty Christmas Collab 2020 and show us your projects if you want to join in, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.